Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to install or update all your Windows 11 drivers for free with just one click. We'll guide you through the process of using a simple, safe tool to resolve system lag and hardware connectivity issues. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. To begin the process, open your web browser and search for Snappy Driver Installer Origin to find the official website. Once the page loads, navigate to the Downloads section and download the SDI Lite option. After the download is finished, head to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and extract the contents into a new folder. Before running the application, you should verify your system type by searching for System Information in the Start menu. Look for the system type entry. If it lists your machine as an x64-based PC, you will need to use the 64-bit version of the application found in the extracted folder. Right-click the correct application file and open it, accepting any terms or permissions that appear on your screen. When the program launches for the first time, you will be presented with 3 choices for how to proceed with your drivers. You should select the option to download indexes only, as this is the most efficient choice that simply scans your hardware to see exactly which drivers are missing or out of date. The tool will then perform a scan of your system and generate a comprehensive list of all your hardware components and their current driver status. Once the scan is complete, you can review the list to see which drivers have updates available or are completely missing from your system. To update everything at once, simply click the Select All button and then press Install to start the automated process. The program will automatically create a system restore point for safety before it begins downloading and installing the necessary software. After the installation is finished, close the application and restart your computer to apply the changes. When your system reboots, your hardware should be running smoothly with the most recent drivers installed. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.